Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Gmail account you want to inspect. This must be the account itself so you see accurate history. Once signed in, click your avatar, choose Manage your Google account, and switch to the Security tab. This area aggregates device and sign-in data, so open your devices or recent security activity to begin. Doing this first avoids false alarms from other accounts and makes sure you can view device names, locations, and timestamps right away. Once you're in the Security tab, scroll to your devices and inspect the list. Google shows device type, last used date, and an approximate location so you can spot anomalies. Tap or click any device to expand details. There you'll see the browser or app, operating system, and often an IP-derived location. That helps you distinguish your phone from an unknown session. If something looks wrong, choose Review Devices and sign out remotely so you close that session immediately. Finally, examine recent security activity to see individual sign-in events with timestamps and sign-in methods. This confirms whether a session was a login versus a background sync. If you find unknown sign-ins, change your password right away and enable two-step verification to prevent repeat access. That two-step adds a verification code or prompt. Once done, make sure to sign out of all sessions, review account recovery options, and, if needed, follow Google's prompts to secure or recover the account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.